Welcome back South and happy Monday. I'm Spring. We have a lot of news to get to, so let's get started. Moving on to Lobo Froyo and SK Latte news, this week's frozen yogurt flavors are Fudge Brownie, Vanilla, and Swirl. Stop by for your favorite combination. And while you're at it, swing by SK Latte to check out their new festive winter menu. National Honor Society is sponsoring a toiletry drive. All donations go to Helpline. Please bring in new or unused toiletry items to help people in our community. They need toothpaste, shampoo, laundry soap, body wash, and more. ASB is once again launching Winter Wishes. To make a wish, go to your grade level Google Classroom and fill out the form. You can wish for a hot cocoa, fuzzy socks, a winter beanie, or a gingerbread cookie. Other wishes must be school appropriate. You may ask for a gift for yourself or give one to a friend. Be sure to include the receiver's first and last name and 3rd and 7th block teachers so wishes can be delivered the week before winter break. Remember, winter wishes need to be submitted by tomorrow for everyone to receive their gifts. Juniors who are interested in learning more about the PSNS Work-Study program sign up in the Career Center for a presentation on January 8th. If you are thinking about going to Olympic College, SK is hosting OC Bound, a series of workshops to help you with application, setting up your accounts, advising, and registration for classes. The first workshop is January 15th, where the OC Reach Out team will go over the programs and help with the application. Even if you have applied, come so you can be a part of other workshops. Sign up in the Career Center by January 8th. Still looking for some festive decorations? Luckily for you, FFA has you covered.
Students enrolled in SK's plant science class with Mrs. Petro are learning how to handcraft Christmas trees for the upcoming annual wreath sale in the greenhouse. Today we went down to room 268 to watch how the wreaths are made and talk to the people that make the event possible. The wreath sale is an important event because it helps support CTE and the horticulture class here at SK.
We would love people's support because we want to continue to be able to do things like this as much as we're funded well. At South Kitsap High School, we have to generate revenue in order to continue to do things, especially with the large quantity of students that are enrolled in the program. So we're looking for support in order to continue to fund really large activities like the one that we're doing today.
The students are provided everything they need to make the wreaths, from the twigs and branches to the small decorations. Students are welcome to decorate the wreaths however they like, and every student did theirs a little differently.
I really like it. I think it's a very therapeutic. I'm working on a little snowman piece right now. It's pretty interesting.
So we have to grab a bunch of these and we cut them into fans, and then we have to wrap it with a wire. And I think the wrapping is the hardest part because sometimes with the wire it'll push leaves down and then it'll make up ending of the area look flat. It's really difficult, and you also have to wrap it really tight.
There's so many wreaths that'll be up for sale in the greenhouse starting December 8th, and the fundraiser isn't just accessible to SK students and families.
It's accessible to everyone, and we hope everyone comes. The community, your parents, your great grandmas across the United States. Honestly, there's anybody who wants to come is welcome to come. It's a little bit harder to find. Not a lot of people get to go to the large greenhouse on campus, but we're hoping to have those signs out there and get people in the right direction. But we'd love for anyone and everyone to come, from Kingston to Gig Harbor.
From December 8th to the 12th, the wreath sale will be open while supplies last in the greenhouse next to the pool. Be sure to stop by to support the horticulture class and get a nice Christmas decoration crafted by your fellow classmates.
Again, you and anyone can buy one down at the greenhouse above the pool. In the schedule of events, today flag football is away. Tomorrow there is a lot of action. Girls bowling travels to GK, boys swim will be at home, flag football is away, and basketball is taking on Sumner. Girls are away and boys are at home. Over the weekend, both wrestling teams were in action. The girls placed 11th out of 31 teams in their first tournament. Hayden opened the season winning her tournament in her weight class. Silva placed 3rd in her first high school tournament as a freshman. The boys wrestled in 3 duels in a total of 52 matches. Throughout the day of battles, the Wolves racked up 18 pins, 6 techs, and 3 majors. The varsity team finished 3rd place overall. Way to go, Wolves! Winter sports competitions are here. Just a reminder for all of those who plan to attend games, please do not bring in large bags or backpacks, outside food or drinks, full face paint, and know that once you come in, if you leave, you will not be able to re-enter. Now on to club news. All students participating in DECA competition must turn in their permission slips by this Friday. Magic the Gathering is having a beginners meeting today in room 327. They will be introducing and teaching students how to play the game. Students do not need to bring cards if they don't have them. Mr. Johnson will be providing loaner decks. No experience needed. Come join them for a fun time. Just Serves Kids Helping Kids is running until December 18th. Collection bins are in the main office and library. They need new toys, books, games, art supplies, and more. Their next meeting is next Tuesday in Portable 6. Well, it's going to be a gusty and wet day, SK. Stay safe and stay dry.